Welcome to this essential training on corrective and preventive action, commonly known as CAPA, in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Today we'll explore how CAPA systems ensure product quality, patient safety, and regulatory compliance. CAPA is a systematic approach to investigating and resolving quality issues while preventing their recurrence. Think of it as a two-part solution. Corrective action addresses existing problems, while preventive action stops potential problems before they occur. In pharmaceutical manufacturing, CAPA is not just a good practice, it's a regulatory requirement under FDA's 21 CFR Part 820, ICH Q10, and other international guidelines. Every pharmaceutical company must have a robust CAPA system to maintain their manufacturing license and ensure patient safety. CAPA can be triggered by numerous sources: customer complaints about product quality or adverse events, out-of-specification test results, internal audit findings, regulatory inspection observations, manufacturing deviations or equipment failures, quality trend analysis indicating declining performance. Remember, the earlier we identify and address issues, the less impact they have on patients and business operations. Let's walk through the systematic CAPA process. First, identify and clearly document the problem. Include all relevant details: what happened, when, where, who was involved, and the potential impact. This creates your CAPA record and starts the formal process. Assess the severity and classify the issue. Is this a critical patient safety concern requiring immediate action, or a minor process improvement opportunity? This determines your timeline and resource allocation. This is the heart of CAPA. Conduct a thorough investigation to identify the root cause, not just the obvious symptoms. Use proven tools like the 5 why analysis, fishbone diagrams, or fault tree analysis. For example, if tablets are failing dissolution tests, don't just blame the equipment. Ask why the equipment performed poorly, why maintenance wasn't effective, why procedures weren't followed, and keep digging until you find the fundamental cause. Based on your root cause analysis, determine what actions are needed: immediate containment actions to protect patients, corrective actions to fix the current problem, preventive actions to prevent recurrence and similar issues elsewhere. Implement your planned actions with clear timelines, responsibilities, and success criteria. This might include retraining personnel, updating procedures, modifying equipment, or strengthening supplier controls. Verify that actions were implemented as planned, then monitor their effectiveness over time. Has the problem been eliminated? Are similar issues prevented? This verification period is crucial. Don't close CAPA too early. Document everything thoroughly and formally close the CAPA only after confirming sustained effectiveness. This documentation serves as evidence of your quality system's maturity and regulatory compliance. Avoid these common CAPA mistakes: rushing through investigations without finding true root causes, implementing generic solutions like retrain all operators without addressing specific gaps, missing deadlines or keeping CAPAs open indefinitely, poor documentation that doesn't support your conclusions, closing CAPAs before effectiveness is proven. Every employee plays a vital role in CAPA success. Report issues promptly and completely. Participate actively in investigations when asked. Follow implemented changes consistently. Monitor for effectiveness and new issues. Remember, CAPA is not about assigning blame, it's about systematic improvement to better serve patients. Effective CAPA systems are fundamental to pharmaceutical quality. They protect patients, ensure regulatory compliance, and drive continuous improvement. Your commitment to thorough, timely CAPA execution makes a real difference in patient lives. Thank you for your attention. For questions about your company's specific CAPA procedures, contact your quality assurance department.